everyone, thanks for stopping back by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Allure beauty box for the month of July. Received it late in the month, this month. A little bit about Allure as I opened this box. Allure is $15 a month. I get mine via Amazon. I do not go through Allure.com. I don't like their customer service, so I choose Amazon. You get 7 total products. Some months you might get a bonus gift, and most months you get at least 2 full-size items for your $15. So I find this box well worth it. This is what it looks like when you open the box. You always get a little pamphlet, and it just briefly, you know, touch on the items that are going to be in your box, and it gives full price items, not sample, you know, if it's sample price items. So let's pull the tissue back and I'll show you what I see right off the bat right here. Okay, so let's open the pamphlet. And I guess the theme of this box is the little things. So we're just going to go straight to the first product, and it is from Peach and Lilly. And this is Glass Skin Refining Serum. And let's open this up. This might be a full size, if I could get it open. Okay, that's what it looks like. How is this? Okay, so this is like a pump, and here's the pack. I just wanted to see it because it just snapped. This is the packaging. I do believe this is full size. Let me see what this does, which is a value of $39. Let me see. Where's it? Okay, these are reviewed by people, I guess, that work at Allure. And it says, after, you know, she gives a little descriptive, she says, but I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed-looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to the hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has been in a while. Okay, excited to peach extract and peptide complex. All right, $39 right there. That pays for the box, and it pays for next month's box also. The next item, where is she? Oh, right here. And I'm not sure if this is Osea or OC, how would say this, and this is OC. Yeah, I would assume OC, and this is an ocean cleanser. Full size is $48. This is probably a sample. Let's see. I don't know what the full size looks like. Yeah, this is probably a sample. I don't know, 6 fluid ounces. This could be full size. I have no idea. Let me see if I can see in the picture if that's... no, this is a sample, because the bottle on the picture is 150 ml, and this is 18 ml. So this is definitely a sample. And this is... yeah, just a good cleanser. Hydrates. Okay, you know, look, a cleanser's a cleanser. I'm happy to have it. There's no complaints from me on that. The next thing I see is in this package, it looks like, and this is from Beautaniq Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Full size is $16. I don't, once again, it's so hard to tell if these are full size. This might be also just because of the size. I don't know if I can get this open. Yes, got it open. That could be full size. Because usually lip balms and like cheek balms, this has got a seal on it probably. You can feel it, but can I get it off? All right, I cannot get it off to see what it looks like. Where is the seal? Usually it gives you like a little perforation where you could start to pull. might be able to, yeah, I got it. This way I could at least and show you what it looks like inside. No scent, and this is the tint. So this would probably be better for me as a lip balm, not necessarily cheek. But that's nice. And that probably is full size also, so I'm happy to have that. I'll keep that for I won't keep them all for myself, but these little things I generally do. And then it looks like we could have a choice of Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen, which I don't think I got, or the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream, which is I got right here, which is obviously a sample. Full size would be $48. Let's see what this does. Says the formula includes Dr. Jart's signature tiger grass, which helps with inflammation. And because the gel cream has been hydrating my dry patches without over moisturizing oily spots, it becomes a twice a day essential for calming my skin. Okay, I mean, these are people that have used the products. Hopefully they're true, that they have used them. So it's a sample, so I'll go by her opinion. Let's see, we have some cards here. The Peach and Lilly, so they sent a card with their thing. Looks like we have a mask here. And this is from LAPOS Daily Skin Mask, Charcoal Mask, value of $3. You know, another full-size product. You know, a mask, that's fine. And I don't know. Oh, on the back, it's Stay Clear of Acne. So this is Acne Cover Patch. Avarelle, I guess is the company. You can get it on Allure. Or no, you can get it on their website. But Allure 20 gets you a discount. So how many do you get? 8 clear patches made with Cica, tea tree, and calendula oil. Covers blemishes invisibly. It's always nice to have. You never know. You get a little spot. You can take care of it. So that is my Allure Beauty box for the month of July. Once again, I think a phenomenal, phenomenal box. I'm always happy with this. Rarely am I disappointed with Allure just because of the value and nice little box. If you need to store stuff, ship stuff as a giveaway, because these are nice sturdy boxes. And for $15, I always think you get, you know, double, triple, sometimes more than that for your value of the items. There's 3 full-size products in there, and you know, right there, they start to add up. I mean, one of them was $39, so that covers the cost of the box, so I'm already at double, and then the other item. So, you know, I don't think this is a bad box to get if you're on a limited budget, to either go through Allure or Amazon if you have an Amazon account. I don't know if you need to have Prime to get their subscriptions. I'm not sure. I mean, I do, but, or go directly through Allure, but I definitely think it's worth $15. It's one of the, you know, cheaper boxes that you can get each month. You know, you're not spending $25 or $30 or $35, $15. Clearly a bargain box. Love, love, love this box. And I did take a little bit of a break from this because of Allure.com and their customer service until I realized it was on Amazon. And I find it so much easier with Amazon. When you order it on Amazon, if you went on today and ordered it, every month your renewal date is the day you order it. I kind of ordered it towards the end of the month from Amazon, so that's usually when I receive it. But if you order it on the 1st of the month, the next month, your box will be charged, and we'll start shipping a few days later, and you'll get it earlier in the month. I don't mind getting it towards the end of the month. It gives me a box to show in the beginning of August, like this one. So it's not a big deal for me. So let me know what you think of Allure Beauty Box, and would you consider getting away from Allure.com and going over to Amazon? Doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, I don't get anything for the switch over. I just find Amazon so much easier to deal with. So I appreciate all of you watching this video today and supporting my channel. I'm well over 500 videos, 1,500 subscribers and growing. So that makes me so, so happy. I appreciate every one of you, whether you're new coming in or if you're one of my OGs. I appreciate you all. You mean so much to me, and I am loving doing what I'm doing with this channel. It just fills my day. I get so much enjoyment out of it. I love packing my giveaways and figuring out what to put inside and what I'm going to share this month. And and I love to give back. So if I can do 3 smaller giveaways or do my big mystery box giveaways, I always do giveaways during the month. I think that's very important for me to give back to all of you for all that you do. So I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and are happy. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.